Okay, color. You have your directions on your page. It tells you that you're going to, of course, give yourself a title at the top and write color. Then you're going to write the word primary and list the 3 primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. And then the definition, the 3 basic colors from which all colors are made. And then I'm giving you a preset color wheel, so all you're doing is writing on this page. You're going to attach this to your sketchbook. Secondary goes underneath the color wheel. You have 3 colors for that, orange, green, and violet. And then underneath that you're going to have your intermediate colors, which is mixing 1 primary with 1 secondary. And then I listed the 6 intermediate colors. I've given you a color wheel on your paper. It'll be black and white and gray, of course, but it gives you the proper positions for your colors. And the very first thing you're going to do is label your color wheel so you'll know what's going where. You're going to start by putting yellow at the top of your color wheel. And then on the left side, you're going to put red, which is your R, and then it tells you to do lettering with the B for blue. And then you're going to use only the 3 primary colors because those 3 colors are from which everything is made. And you're going to color in each of your places on your color wheel, and then you're going to start mixing those colors. So I'm just going to show you real quick one of the primary colors. And also, when you're working with color pencils, if you will turn it while you work, it self-sharpens it, keeps it sharp longer, and then you don't have to try to use a sharpener so often, and it keeps your pencils longer. I'll do the same thing with red and blue. Then I'm going to start with my secondary colors. And if you look at your color wheel, it should have the word orange, and between red and yellow you're going to have orange, and it's going to be the other triangle color because that's your secondary colors. Start somewhat lightly so that your colors will blend together. You can darken as you go. This is not about applying a lot of pressure. This is about applying and mixing your colors to get them the correct color, the best that you can with the color pencils that you have. This is the only blue that I can find, so I just want you to be aware that some of my colors may not look exactly right. I'm going to start with my red lightly over my yellow to make my orange. And then I'm going to come back again and layer it with some more yellow, and hopefully I will get some orange by the time I'm done. I try not to color too fast. It looks weird on the video. Then you can add some more. I'll tell you all about that later, what we're laughing about. Okay, so then I would keep working on that. I'm going to do the same thing over here, start my yellow, and I'm just going to do this for a quick example, and then I'm going to move on to save time. And then I'm going to add my blue and create, I hope, a green. Now guys, what you've got to be careful is when you start getting into your intermediate colors, when it has yellow or say it's yellow-green, or it says blue-green, that means it has more of that primary color mixed in with it. And so you've got to make sure that when you're mixing, you get distinctive colors with it. So I'm just going to stop. I know that's not quite done, but you get the general idea. And then you can work with any of your intermediate colors as you want, however you want to set those up. And so you'll just then fill in these places here with your colors, and then you'll do your intermediate colors in these pie-looking shapes. And you'll have 6 of them on there. All right, thank you.